Yo, how's it going, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 9. Today, we are working on this car. As long as it doesn't hit the garage, everything's good. Yeah, just go straight back. That's good.
I was like, oh, am I gonna fit?
So what are we doing to this thing today?
Well, if you look underneath, right there. Yeah, we gotta chop that off.
Okay.
And take out the H pipe, and I have the X pipe in here.
That's an H pipe?
Yeah.
That looks like an X.
No, that's an H. You'll see. This is an X.
I don't think you know your alphabet, sir. Oh man, you can fit a body in that car.
These are my BBKs.
Okay.
This is the X. Oh. You can see the difference. If you look right there somewhere, you can see right here it connects right through.
Okay.
So makes it a little raspy.
I see. Okay. Yeah, I don't know anything about.
Weren't ready yet. So.
I don't know anything about H's or X's. I just have I's and L's. They just go straight through. I have no idea.
Well, so the clamps aren't gonna be ready till 3, but if we can get it on, then the clamps come on last anyway.
Okay.
But that's what Ford was gonna take 3 days to get them. But Riley's had like the same thing. They said they'll be ready by 3 because they had to get them from another store.
Okay. Gotcha. Let's just take a second to appreciate this truck, though.
Isn't it great?
That's amazing. Yeah, everything should be pretty quick once we get going.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll take too long.
More the dirty car.
Then we have to go longboarding and have fun. I don't even know a good place to go. I guess Metro?
Metro.
Alright, so I guess we'll get started then. So Brian's under here making the second cut. I already made the first one to get these clamps off, because according to him, Ford apparently wanted to put this car together from the top down. So you have to cut the bolts off if you want to replace your X pipe or H pipe. So this is the clamp you have to cut off that's holding it down. There's my cut mark. You gotta cut the bolt basically in half, pry it off, and then cut the tabs that are attached to it.
A little bit.
Are those prescription glasses, or are you just wearing them to look cool?
I like to look cool. Compliments my eyes.
Oh yeah. Did you get it?
Almost. It's like maybe a centimeter, not even.
All right, now we got it unbolted from the header, so let's hear what open header sounds like. Riley, you might want to walk away. What's that? Just a little bit. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Well, now he knows what that sounds like. You scared, Doug? You okay? That's loud, wasn't it?
I'm sorry, Riley.
She'll be all right.
I won't touch you.
She's been on the Nissan before.
Oh.
All right, so we just came back from Horsepower Tech's. Got a 2 3/4 inch clamp because we had to end up cutting the other one off. A shout out to my dad who came over with the angle grinder. Oh, that's okay. I wasn't recording or anything, Riley. So rude. Anyways, so we cut that off. Just got the new clamp. He's got the new X pipe. I guess I could show that. So this is the factory H pipe with the flex section in the middle, and then this beauty is gonna breathe a little better, and I don't know, things that he says are gonna make it better or something. I don't know, he just plays dogs, I don't know what he knows. Yeah, it should sound a little different and do V8 things that aren't to my knowledge. Is this gonna make the turbo breathe better?
No, it's gonna make me hit crowds better.
Okay. Okay.
Mustang stuff, you won't understand.
Okay. This car was born with too many cylinders, so I don't understand how it works. this is gonna change low or high RPM?
Higher RPM.
Oh, okay.
Scream. Low RPM, apparently I'll lose a little bit of torque, but I'm running everything high RPM anyways.
Yeah.
It's a higher RPM motor, so.
It has like a totally different sound to it, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, completely different. I actually like it.
I do too. That's the beauty of this little stretch right here. You can get in and get out really easy.
Oh, it's a completely different sound though.
Yeah.
It's a really throaty sound.
It's and a couple points of badassery to it, didn't it?
Yeah.
I like it. Job well done, sir.
Thanks, sir.
I would say like dollar per value of the sound you get out of this car, it's a pretty hard car to beat.
Yeah.
Because this is like the cheapest 5.0 without being like a 90s 5.0 that you can get.
I only paid 15. It only had 50,000 miles.
I know. That's right around the price point and mileage of my car. Mine was a little less mileage and a little more expensive. It probably
at 64,000, so I put 12,000 on it this year.
Oh wow.
Oh, there they are.
Woo! All right, well, on that note, that's going to conclude today's video. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.